Hi everybody, it's Laura Fisk, your Norwex independent consultant, and I wanted to do another Wow Wednesday for you guys because I have been using the new Norwex products and I absolutely love them. So I'm going to try to show you how I use them and what the benefits of them are. So this week I wanted to talk about the Rubber Broom because it is now probably one of my favorite items in the catalog. So this is the Rubber Broom. You can see how long it is. And it's got these great bristles for picking up all kinds of dirt and debris and pet hair. And it fits right on my mop handle. There's no special attachment required. It just clicks right in, right here. And what I'm going to show you today is one of my carpets that needs cleaning. So there are a few places in the house that Ellie likes to spend a lot of time on, and those tend to be my throw rugs. So I'm going to show you what this throw rug looks like right now, and then what I'm going to do is vacuum it so you can see what does or does not get picked up, and then I'm going to use the rubber brush for you. So let's see how this goes. So here's my carpet. Here's my Ookie. Say hi. Say hi. And this is, for both of them actually, one of their favorite spots to lay down in. And it looks kind of old, but really what the problem is, if I get in really close here, you see all those long white hairs? Those are Ellie hairs. If you have a golden or another long-haired dog, you know that they shed terribly. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm going to start off with my vacuum, and I'm going to do this half of the rug, this side. Let's see how we do. Well, I apologize in advance for the noise, but here we go. So from a distance, you might be able to see the difference between the two sides. That doesn't look too bad, right? But let's take you in a little bit closer. So here's the side that I haven't done yet. And here's the side that I have done. Yeah, it picked up some of it, but look, you can still see hairs in there. And it's harder to see on the light, so I'll stick with the dark color. You can still see it didn't pick up, and especially on the edges, it seems to have a hard time picking that up. So let's give the broom a try now on the other side and see if we have a difference. All right, I'm ready to start with my handy dandy broom handle. And the key to using this is to pull the brush towards you. Ooh, that was fast, huh? All right, let's take a look at the difference between the two now and see what you think. So here's the rug again. This side was done with the vacuum. This side was done with the broom. And if I get down and compare, you're going to see there's the side that was done with the vacuum. And you can see there's still quite a bit of pet hair in there. But if I look at this side, believe it or not, there's actually not as much pet hair as there was on the other side. So I would say they both work pretty well on this rug. There's still a little bit left, and I'll show you what came out with the broom. That is my pile just from half the rug. So I have to do this every few days. Oh yes, Ookie's got to get in the middle of everything. Leave it alone. And here's my vacuum. And I don't know, yeah, you probably can't see it, but there's all the accumulated stuff that it picked up. So here's where I see the advantage of the rubber broom over the vacuum. First of all, I don't have to lug out a heavy piece of equipment and plug it in, make a lot of noise. I don't have dust flying through the air, which makes me sneeze, and I'll tell you, every time I vacuum, I'm sneezing my head off by the time I'm done, because yeah, things are coming out of the exhaust or getting stirred up from the rug and triggering my allergies. And last but certainly not least is the convenience of this broom. I can store it in my closet. I can grab it very quickly. It's lightweight. And with maybe 5 minutes worth of work, I can get the same amount, if not more if I really apply myself, of pet hair and dirt off of this rug, and it will look beautiful. I can put my broom away and I'm done. So if I know I'm having company coming over, don't pull out the vacuum. I'm going to pull out the broom. I'm going to give this rug a quick clean, and it's going to look excellent, and I won't be embarrassed to have somebody come in the house. So I hope you found this informational. I hope you liked it. If you're considering getting the rubber broom, I highly, highly recommend it. If you have a mop handle, it will click right into your existing mop handle. And if you don't have a mop handle, you can purchase the new graphite and black one. It's really nice. It's the same length with the telescopic handle as our other brooms are, but it has a sleeker look and it goes great with the mop. I keep calling it the mop. It goes great with the broom attachment. So thank you very much for your time tonight. I hope you have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.